Been a Straco dealer for about 11 years now. We've built over about 1,400 patios.
A lot of times people might have a vision of what they're thinking of, but they don't really know how everything can come together.
It's just about understanding of what they actually want to do with the space, how they're going to use it, if it's going to be the area where they're going to relax with family and friends. So when you're designing any of your outdoor spaces, we've got one shot to get this right. So really understand the level of what you want to do here is really important. Price is one thing, but getting the best outcome is the key. So a great outdoor living space to us actually means an area where you can relax with family and friends. We spend so much time inside, so if you can have that space that really draws you outside. It's really important to us to actually maintain and have our own installation team in-house. We can really control the level of quality and workmanship that the guys do. If you create a space that's covered and well protected, you'll actually use it a lot more. You can walk outside, you can have a cup of coffee in the morning or some brekkie and just give you an area you can use all year round.